All right, everyone, we're gonna vacuum her. She's blowing a lot of coat. Male shepherd not. But what I like to do, she's got an undercoating of, like, they all have thick undercoating to keep them warm. And in the summer, that's why they blow their coat, because they gotta keep cooler. But what I like to do, you see all these little white things coming out. This is her undercoat, and it doesn't hurt her at all. It's just like fluff, like from a pillow inside. I like to just, they're not even attached to anything. See that? I like to just pull them out. It's very satisfying. And what, good girl, lay down. What I noticed is if you brush them, a lot of the undercoat, half of it will stay inside her mane.
I'm Jake.
Which is why I like to just pull them out. It doesn't hurt her at all. It just, they just come right out.
I love it.
See? Good girl. See, now you can see these little white poofs are not there anymore. See all these? They just stick out a little. Look at that. That was satisfying. You see them, it's like a little tiny nub of hair, and you just pull, it's like magic. It just, all this hair comes out. And that's about it for her for that. And you know what? I'll do that now. I got about a dozen. And then later on tonight, we'll get another dozen. So we're gonna vacuum her right now.
No.
Let me see that thing before you tuck that hair in. Good girl, baby.
Hey, move out of the way, please. Maybe no. It's stuck. Just at the top there.
Are you next?
Yeah, he's next. And so is Jake.
Rex, are you next? The hindquarters is where a lot of this is gonna vacuum up and out. She sheds the most. It's not that bad. Not much for Jake. Rex, you shed, but not bad.
Stay still.
It's pointless for him. He's not going to have much.
Yeah, right. You should see him when he shakes. Hair. So much hair comes off of him. See, he's got a lot. Just can't see it. Stay still.
This is a crazy guy, right? He's a crazy guy, a mischief maker guy. He is.
Oh, Jesus. Come. Rex, come.
Come down. Come here, boy. There you go. Stay. Good boy. Good girl, baby. You get vacuumed? You did.